I welcome here the Zricks team to showcase our luxury offering. So we are here to showcase the golf-based residences located on Golf Course Extension Road. This entire development is a 56-acre land parcel which revolves around the 9-hole golf course. The golf course is divided into two fairways, Fairway East and Fairway West. So now I will be showcasing you our penthouses. Basically we call it sky suites as they are castled in the air, spread across 3 levels. On the ground level we have area where we can welcome our guests, we can spend time with our families. On the second level, it will be our own private area, and the third level will be an entirely recreational area. So this triplexes has been divided into 3 segments. So this is the lift area that we have. So we have 4 lifts, wherein 3 are the residents and 1 we have the individual lifts. 2 2-core apartments, we have 2 penthouses here. So the penthouse which I am going to show you is on the top floor, which is at the 40th floor. It's a 15,000 square feet penthouse. I welcome you inside now. Start with the lounge area. This is our lounge area, wherein one side we have the glass facade, a nice spacious place wherein you can welcome your guests, you can spend time with your relatives, your closed ones. So now this lounge area has been extended to a beautiful terrace which is hanging on the 40th floor. So this is the terrace area that we have here. One can imagine the entire Gurgaon while standing here. So we get to see the Gurgaon skyline. On the left hand side we have the Aravallis, on the right hand side we have the city. This penthouse, I would say it is like your own personal villa. Attached with this lounge we have a private space. So this private space is something which you can utilize it for your own purpose. We have created this as an office. You can make it maybe your study area or maybe read books, or it will be your private area. So generally, considering the current scenario, we do need a personal space inside wherein we can work, do our meetings without any kind of disturbance. So hence for us it can be a work from home kind of space. Entering into the lobby area, we have a triple height lobby wherein these staircases will be taking you to all the 3 levels of the penthouse. On the right hand side we have the private elevator. So this elevator will help us to commute on all the 3 floors. Moving forward, we have a powder room, a nicely designed powder room. Generally we do not want everybody to move inside in our bedroom, so we have a special powder room for those people. Moving further, here enters into the dining area. So the dining area is attached with the kitchen. First I will take you to the kitchen. Come. So entering into the kitchen will be fully modular. We will be having 5 appliances fitted inside. So there will be chimney, there will be hob, there will be microwave oven here, there will be a double door fridge. So here we have the dishwasher. So these 5 appliances are something which you will be getting with every apartment. Miele will be the brand that we are offering, and for the refrigerator it will be Siemens. Apart from that, the kitchen will be exactly like this, the way you are seeing it. Along with the kitchen, we have this utility area, or you can say your balcony. So this is the balcony we have, wherein if you want you can keep your washing machine and everything, and you can use it for your own purpose. So with the kitchen, we have the entry for the servant rooms. So in our sky suites, we have 2 servants rooms. So one you can utilize for your driver, another one for your full-time maid, and we have a washroom attached. So the entry of the servant will be separate. So we have a separate entry exit for both of them. So whenever your servant want to go out anywhere, they don't have to take the main door. They can easily take the separate door for them. Moving further, we come here at the dining area. So the dining area is huge. If you want, you can also squeeze it and you can create a lounge, or you can make it the way you want it to be. So this side we have another lounge area, nicely created. Again, the good part about this is our dining area also has an extended balcony. So we open here to another balcony. So we open here to another balcony wherein you can make your private sitting, you can arrange some coffee table. With the dining area, we have created a small bar with the bar counter. So this is the bar area that we have created. You can make it a lounge space also. You can put a TV and you can create some sitting for your family members. You can utilize the space like that. So this was the level 1 of the penthouse, wherein we saw the lounge area on the right hand side and dining area on the left hand side. Now I'll further take you to the second level, which will be your private area, wherein you'll be having space for yourself. It'll be a closed space wherein there'll be less interaction of people. It will be your room and your kids' room and maybe your parents' room. Now I'll take you to the second level of this Sky Suites. So this section we have divided into 2 parts. On the one side we have the master bedroom. So it's a spacious master bedroom where both the side we have open glass facade. You can open it any time. Plus the best part about this master bedroom is it has got a wraparound balcony. Whenever you step out, you get to see the entire Gurgaon skyline with this. So we enter here in the long and spacious balcony. Since it's a wraparound balcony, more depth is given here. And this side we have it in an extended way. We also get to see the 2-hole golf course that we have here. With this master bedroom, we have the attached washroom with your personal bathtub, the shower area. It's an open shower that we have arranged here along with the closed shower. Along with this, we have an attached closet area, very spacious. Generally in the apartments, we do face a challenge of storage area. So you get ample of space here. We have designed it this way. You can design it the way you want it to be. Moving further, we'll enter into the second zone of this level, which is the kids' room and can be your parents' room too. This particular place is somewhere wherein you can spend time with your family. You can sit with them, you can watch TV, you can watch movies. So this will be your personal space. Then on the one side, we have this kids' bedroom. So again, with every room, you get a proper storage space, you get a proper closet area, you get attached washroom with every bedroom of ours. Also, an additional balcony. So balcony is something which we have with all the apartments. Generally with the thought that we do need an open space, we do need proper ventilation. So this is the storage area with the washroom. So with the kids' room, we have an attached balcony. So again, this is also an extended balcony. Generally people are fond of balcony. Flooring of all the bedrooms will be engineered wooden flooring. Moreover, the living area, the kitchen area and the dining area, that will have Butterchino tiles. We are also offering false ceilings inside the apartment. Moving into the second bedroom, very spacious, open. So the glass facade for proper ventilation of sunlight and for air. Again, we have the balcony on the other side. So every apartment has been designed in such a way that on the one side we get the entire glass facade, on the other side we get the balcony. So with the storage area, generally this particular area will be the dressing area with the shelves and the washroom. So this was the second level of the apartment, wherein we showcased you your personal area. Now moving on to the third level of this penthouse. So the third level has been dedicatedly as a recreational area, wherein you can regenerate yourself, you can play, you can spend time with your friends, you can party. So generally I would say all kind of amenities has been added into this particular Sky Suites. So we have taken care of all the needs and necessity with a person seek while he is buying a luxury offering, like the pool table, like a gaming zone wherein you don't have to step out anywhere and you can get everything within the 4 walls only. The pool table area, we have this chessboard area, we can play carom also. This side again, the lounge area, wrapped again with the balcony. So with this lounge area, we get a separate place. It can be a mini lounge, I would say, with a powder room attached. Moving on to the other side. So this is the lift which we saw it on the ground floor. So this elevator will be helping us to commute within all the 3 floors. So we get 2 medium of commuting. One is the staircase that we have in the lobby area. Another is the elevators. So now this particular area, I would say this is the attraction of the apartment. Area is such a big area wherein you can easily host a party of 30 to 35 people. and you can enjoy your kind of time. So this side, the lounge, we have created a sitting nicely done up. Here we have the bar area, so people coming can enjoy and have good time here. Moreover, you can also utilize this space to create your own personal gym. You can create your gym, since we have a regeneration area this side also. You can create a gym also. So along with this, we give you a regeneration space. So you get your personal spa sauna here and your personal shower room. So in case you are spending time at workouts in the gym, you can easily come, you can relax yourself here. So we have steam section this side and we have the sauna section this side. So this facilities we are giving with all our apartments and the sky suites. So here we have the spa area. Since we work a lot from morning to evening, so we need some time wherein we can relax ourselves, we can sit back, we can just pamper ourselves. Hence, this particular floor is for pampering yourself. Be it through a party, be it working out, or be it relaxing and taking a good spa. Further, this area is extended with the terrace. Generally, people have this thing that we need a terrace area also. When we buy a villa, we need a terrace area. So this is a place wherein you can sit. This place is open to sky. So maybe if it is a morning time or it's an evening time, you can enjoy the kind of lifestyle that you seek while you are living in a villa. Along this place, we also have a deck area with your personal jacuzzi. So this is some kind of place wherein you can have a pool party. You can call your friends, you can enjoy with them. You can put a match on the screen. It's more of a party place, I would say. So this was all about the triplexes sky suites that I showed you, divided into 3 segments, which I said earlier. To know more about it, you can contact the number which is given below, and also you can visit us anytime. Thank you so much.